Do you know what are comments in programming? Hello, everyone. Welcome to Alive 2 Code. Comments are hint or explanation to the code you have written. Comments are not executed by the compiler. Look at the following computer program. This line is not executed by the compiler. This program prints hello the node. There are two types of comments in C. Single line comments. It is used to comment a single line. We use double / to comment a single line. Multi-line comment. It is used to comment multiple lines. It starts with / and asterisk, and end with asterisk and /. We can use comments anywhere in our program. Comments helps us understand the program easily. Comments are widely used while writing a complex program.